Streak plate. Wash hands thoroughly and dry with paper towels. Apply gloves, apron, face mask, and safety goggles. Wipe down work surface with 10% bleach solution. Pour isopropyl alcohol in a plastic cup. Place the inoculation lube into the beaker of alcohol. Place 60 mm TSA plate on the workspace. Without opening the plate, use a permanent marker to label the bottom agar side into 4 equal sections in order to illustrate quadrants for streaking. Label the quadrants A, B, C, and D. Remove the loop from the alcohol and sling to rapidly dry. Insert the sterilized loop into the culture tube to collect a bacteria sample. While holding the loop in the dominant hand, grasp the agar plate with the other hand, tilting the lid such that a 1 cm space is opened above the A quadrant. Insert the loop and streak the A quadrant using a zigzag motion. Remove the loop, close the lid, return the loop to the beaker of alcohol for 30 seconds. Remove the loop from the alcohol and sling to dry. While holding the sterile loop in the dominant hand, grasp the agar plate with the other hand, tilting the lid such that 1 cm space is opened above the B quadrant. Pass the loop over the bottom corner of the A quadrant before streaking the B quadrant. Repeat until quadrants C and D are streaked. Store the streak plate agar side up in the incubation location.